First thing you're going to do is disconnect the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Just grab a hold of it, give it a twist, pull it. Disconnect from the coil, same way, twist and pull. I'm going to keep this heat shield. Just pull it, set it aside. To install the new coil wire, spark plug wire, it comes pre-siliconed. Slide your old heat shield over it, right to the bottom. I like to put it right on the spark plug until it clicks in. Hear it. Then line up the angle to the coil. Now just repeat the procedure to the other 7 cylinders.